Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, C.TaylorMarie. If you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Check out my other videos, and of course, like I said already, subscribe. Today is going to be all about that, applying a quick closure, making it look natural just for a quick in the morning look. Let's say if you're like me, your wash day was Sunday, Monday morning comes around. First of all, it's Monday morning. Second of all, you're probably tired. You're not going to want to untwist your hair or worry about styling and all that other stuff. So for me, it's easy for me just to pop on a wig cap, pop on some simple glue real quick, and then pop on my closure. Like a 14-minute process total. I really timed it one time, you guys. It takes like 14 minutes. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just talk about how I do that, you guys. I know I've been doing some natural hair videos. My natural hair is currently not working with me. I can't really explain what it's doing. It's just, I don't know. So I'm in the works of transitioning it back to how I like it, just working on my hair and bringing my curls back out, moisturizing it, bringing it back to life. I will start posting videos again on just so you guys can see how I'm transitioning my hair and the different things I'm using. So like I said, go ahead and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get into this closure and how you can do a quick, simple closure. So like I said, today is my wash day. It's Sunday. I do my wash days on Sundays, and I also do Wednesdays or Thursdays whenever needed. But yeah, wash day Sunday. So twisting my hair up, you guys. Wasn't really feeling it. I do have a picture later in the video, see how it's twisted up and how it looks. But yeah, I twisted my hair up. I wasn't feeling it in the morning. It wasn't looking right, so I just put a wig cap on and I went with it. With that being said, closures are, I don't think I said this already. Well, I want to add, closures for me are they're really simple. And with my busy schedule, it is so hard for me to really sit down and not take care of my hair, but just like take the time and actually like apply a frontal, do all this stuff all the time. And I want to do my channel, and I have work, and I do school and all that stuff, so it's really hard for me. So closures come in easy, but I am starting to organize my whole life, you guys, so it is all about to come together. With that being said, I will start posting my videos on Wednesday, which will be the when I post this video. You should be watching it today, Wednesday. Well, today's Sunday, but you'll be watching it Wednesday. Yeah, you guys get it. Wednesday, and then also on Sundays, you guys. So stay tuned for Wednesdays and Sundays for my videos to be posted. Other than that, I'm going to start getting active with social media more. Like I said, I've just been super busy. But anyways, and I can also get off track if you guys can see. But Wednesdays and Sundays are going to be my post days for my videos on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button, leave comments, likes, anything like that, you guys. Yeah, let's just go ahead and really get started with this wig now. So this is I got this wig off, not this wig, I got this hair off AliExpress. It is Alipearl hair. I did buy it in bundles and a closure. It is a 12-inch closure 4x4, and then I have 18-inch, 16 and 14-inch bundles. I did go ahead and construct my wig off camera. I will be posting videos on how I construct my wigs when it comes to my closures, my frontals, or my 360s. Honestly, you guys, every time I construct a wig, it's just like I'm watching a movie and I'm like, okay, this movie is pretty good, let me just start doing a wig. Or I'm laying down and I'm just like, okay, I'm bored, let me start doing a wig. I just forget to always turn my camera on, so that's why I just haven't posted me doing the wig. I do have a video coming up. I'm going purple, by the way, so stay tuned for that one. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna go purple, you guys, and in that video I do like a little snippet of me constructing my wig, but I'll do a more detailed wig coming up, you guys. I'm also going to do some more detailed videos on how I maintain my natural hair, not only under my closure, which is really simple because I can remove it at night. So I just remove it, moisturize my hair, and then oil it. Just take care of it that way, but also on how I maintain my hair for when I'm about to put on my 360, or I'm about to put my hair in braids, or I'm about to put my hair in a frontal. I have different ways to maintain my hair because it's all about taking care of your natural hair. Wigs and stuff are protective style, so you want to make sure you're really taking care of your natural hair underneath. So stay tuned for those videos, you guys. But yeah, back to this wig. Like I said, I constructed it off camera. Alipearl hair. I really love Alipearl hair, you guys. I have not tried their 613. I love 613, you guys. I love coloring some wigs, dyeing some wigs. I love it. So 613, but I have not tried there. But they're just natural color, black, natural, that natural color hair. Just, it's always my go-to when I just want to make a simple black wig. I just want to do a ponytail or something like that. I just love their quality of hair. You can wash it multiple times. I have like 3 of their hairs, which are all my go-to wigs, you guys. But yeah, this is one of my newest kind that I love, you guys. Like I said, this is off AliExpress. This is Alipearl hair. with that being said, I am in the looks of getting a new hair vendor because the one I was working with was just, yeah. So I'm in the works of getting a new hair vendor, you guys, so stay on the lookout. I'm going to start posting different hair and what different companies. I typically stay towards certain ones, but I'm about to branch out there, you guys. I'm about to really just find this bomb hair vendor because I just need a hair vendor and stuff like that. So like I said, I'm going to look for a hair vendor pretty soon. I'm also thinking about another thing I'm going to do. I'm going to keep that under wraps because I'm not really sure how I'm going to do it yet. But I'm ready to start this business. Anyways, I can get sidetracked really easily. Alright, so with that being said, this is the wig, like I said. Yeah, I'm loving this hair. But yeah, let's go ahead and just apply this wig and get started. Alright, yeah, so just go ahead and put it where you want it to be at. Alright, so that's pretty much where I want it to be at. And then when it comes to applying it, like I said, there are different types of glues out there. I will do a video later on my, me just reviewing the different type of glues and which ones I like and prefer over another one. But when it comes to my closures, I like to just stick with the Got To Be Free spray and then the Got To Be gel, ultra gel, just because they're easy to remove at night. And like I said, I remove my closures at night because I like to maintain my hair, and it's really easy to remove a closure rather than a frontal. So I just try to keep it simple like this. And if I put them both together, it would typically last me for, honestly, last me like 5 days or a while, even more than that, depending on if it's hot outside or anything like that. With something simple like this, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the Got To Be Freeze ultra gel. So with that being said, you're gonna go ahead and apply it where your skin and the cap crease right here kind of meets. So just right here. And this will go ahead and not only seal the wig down, but it will also it will also go ahead and seal down the cap so it doesn't move if you're somebody who suffers through your cap moving and whatnot like that. Alright, so yeah, just go ahead and apply it. I'm trying to apply it to the length of the closure on the top of my head, but I'm not, honestly, this might be off a little bit, but no harm, no foul. Alright, so while that's drying and being sticky, we're going to go ahead and talk about the wig. Like I already mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video, this is Alipearl hair. I did go ahead and construct the wig off camera. I will be posting videos later on how I construct my wigs, my frontals, closures, and 360s. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe and be on the lookout for those. I did also go ahead and pre-cut my lace off camera too. If you want to see how I did that, go ahead and I do have videos on how I cut my lace and stuff like that. I'll do a more detailed video on the different methods I use to cut my lace, but this is just a simple chop. I did go ahead also and bleach my knots. I have videos on how I bleach my knots. I'll be doing more detailed videos on how I bleach and pluck my hair too, just getting it really into details. But I do have some videos. I'll post them below if you want to check that out now. But it's pretty sticky, pretty tacky. So let's go ahead and just apply it. Just like this. I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay. So, and you're just gonna go ahead and put it where you want it in place. Line it up how you want it based on your glue and everything like that. So, that being said. And if you want, you can go ahead and use your blow dryer to go ahead. Did you guys see me trying to reach for it without looking? Okay, you can go ahead and use your blow dryer just to dry it and seal it for a quicker application if you want. Alright, and if you do want like that ultimate seal, you can go ahead and top it with some Got To Be Freeze gel, which I'm going to do just because it's kind of hot. It's been really hot these last couple of days, so I'm just going to go ahead and top it with Got To Be Freeze gel for extra protection. Alright. So now we can go ahead and basically start styling it the way you want. I'm probably gonna go with a middle part. Just because that's just alright. So yeah, I'm gonna, like I said, that middle part is what I'm going to go with. I also will be doing a video on like wig must-haves, not only for what making a wig, but just like maintaining a wig, applying a wig. Like for me, I had to invest in a hot comb. Like I had to. So that's like one of the things I'm glad I invested in, and I definitely consider it to be a wig like must-have. So yeah. And then of course there's always the baby hairs that you want to go ahead and do if you like. I'm going to do it just because I feel like it will blend it better, so I'm going to go ahead and do baby hairs. So for my baby hairs, my go-tos are of course my little brush that I just love. It has 4 sides, the brush, a comb, another comb, and then like a little flat side. I guess you can't see that. I guess you can't see that either. You see it? There we go, like a flat side, and then the comb, the brush, and then the comb. And then I go to, this is my favorite go-to foam for my mousse for blowing it down. A lot of body, 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 a lot of body. I make noises, you guys. I make noises all the time, so that's honestly the reason why I do voiceovers, because I'll be trying to like talk and then I'll start talking randomly, or I'll just start doing random noises. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna cut that and I'm gonna do a voiceover. And I also like to watch movies when I'm doing my hair, you guys, but my iPad's like completely dead, and I don't have a TV in my room because I keep saying it doesn't go with my decor, so I'm just not gonna put a TV in my room. God, I wish I did, but yeah, it just doesn't go with my decor. So whatever. No harm, no foul. I'm never home anyways half the time, so whatever. Just go ahead and get your baby hairs out. Alright, whatever. If my baby hairs are working better, then I will be completely okay. But I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron it. Put a little bit of like some like the curls into it.
Say you got something and it's all me. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? I need you to free me. It's a prison inside my mind. Break me, chase me, pull me up like the northern lights. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes?
I can never do this side of my hair. I don't. It's the way I'm shaping my hands. Like I got 3 strikes. Yeah, see, I can never do this side of my hair.
Closer to God than we've ever been now. Sipping slow, talking loud. Enough so we could sell out. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? Need you to free me. It's a prison inside my mind. Break me,
Try to do something to it.
pull me up like the northern lights.
Alright, you guys, so this is basically just a quick application to a closure. So I can just, like I said, wash things yesterday, wasn't doing my hair this morning. Just wake up, apply it, and go. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and